Today we are covering 16 asanas that will help your spinal cord a lot with mobility and strength.
In, take your head up. Breathe out, forward and down. Body rotation from the right side. Now, breathing in, you go up. Breathing out, you bring it down. Breathe in, go up. Breathe out, down. Breathe in, out. In, out. In, out. In, out. In, out. One more time, breathing in, come up. Breathing out, go down. Reverse the direction from the left side. Breathing in, come up. Breathing out, down. In, out. In, out. In, out. In, out. In, out. In, out. Breathing in, slowly come up from the center. Breathe out, lie down on your stomach. पेट के बल लेट जाए. Hands by your side, chin on the floor. Breathe in, lift your right leg up. Hold it, breathing out. Breathe in, 2. In, 3. In, 4. In, 5. Bring it down, let go. Lift your left leg up, breathe in, out. In, out. In, out. In, 3. In, 4. In, 5. Relax, bring your legs down. Make a fist of your hand, keep it under your groin. दोनों हाथों की मुट्ठी बना के जंघा के नीचे रख दीजिए. Lift both the legs up together. दोनों पैरों को एक साथ ऊपर उठाए. Breathe in, out. In, 2. In, 3. In, 4. In, 5. In, 6. and slowly bring it down. Hands under your shoulders. Bhujangasana, Ardha Bhujangasana. Breathe in, lift up. Breathe out. In, out. In, 2. In, 3. In, 4. In, 5. And let go. Stretch your hands in the front. दोनों हाथों को सामने की ओर ले जाओ. Lift your hands, lift your legs up. Breathe in, out. You can also alternate in, out. In, out. In, out. In, out. In, out. Bring it down, relax. Bend your legs. Hold your ankle. Dhanurasana. Lift up. The bow pose. Do the easier variation if you want to. In, out. In, out. In, out. In, out. In, out. In, 4. In, 5. Slowly bring it down. Relax in Makarasana. Bring any leg closer to the chest. कोई भी घुटने को छाती के पास ले आए. And relax. पूरे शरीर को ढीला छोड़े. Slowly turn around. Lie down on your back. पीठ के बल लेट जाओ. Breathe in, take your hands up. Breathe out, come up in Naukasana और Utthana Padasana. Continue to breathe long and deep. Very slowly bring it down. Let go. Bring both your knees closer to the chest. दोनों घुटनों को छाती के पास ले आए. And move your body left to right. And let go. Heels close to the body. Waist slowly lift up, breathing out. And continue to breathe long and deep again. Setu Bandhasan. सांस लेते रहे लंबी और गहरी. Increase the intensity of the push by squeezing your glutes against each other. Try to pull your tailbone in and slowly bring it down, let go. Keep your left ankle on the right thigh. बाएं पैर को दाईं जंघा पर रख दे. And bring your right knee closer to the chest. धीरे से घुटने को छाती के पास ले आए. सुप्त कपोतासन. And let go. The other side. Right ankle on the left thigh. Bring your left leg closer to the chest. दूसरी दिशा में. दोबारा घुटने को छाती के पास खींचे. And let go. Extend your hands 90 degrees to the body. Keep your right leg on the right foot on the left knee. Look to the right side. Take your right knee to the left. नटराजासन. घुटने को जिस भी दिशा में ले जा रहे हैं उसकी विपरीत दिशा में देखेंगे. Come back in the center. Look to the left. Keep your left foot on the right knee. and take your left knee to the right side. Come back in the center. Relax your whole body. पूरे शरीर को ढीला छोड़े. Mentally chant 3 times, I am healthy, I am happy. 3 बार मन में संकल्प ले, मुस्कुराते हुए करेंगे ये. मैं स्वस्थ हूँ, मैं खुश हूँ. Big bright smile on the face. Even if it is fake, it will still do the magic. Don't shy away from smiling. Slowly turn to your right side, and with the support of your right hand, sit up. You can do Ardha Matsyendra Asana or Vakrasana. I am going to do Vakrasana. He is doing Ardha Matsyendra Asana. Cross your right leg over the left, and whichever leg is up, you twist on that side. Let go the other side. Twist. And let go. Padmasana, Ardha Padmasana, Sukhasana. Take your hands up, breathe in and stretch. Every breath in, try to become taller. And Yoga Mudra, make a fist of your right hand, hold your right wrist with your left, go forward and down as much as possible.
Thank you so much for doing yoga with us. See you in the next one.